Shit like Lary, little bro gon' leave shit on the curb. Pull up, you getting served, we got lean, we got purse. I don't know what you heard, let y'all gon' let that Philly burst. Y'all nigga try, we bust this shit like noodles on the floor. Ain't know what Zovile, bro gon' let that bitch go. Bitch, we been locked down, I don't think these niggas know. Talking about 10 years plus, they bought us, then we hot that bus. Rock out with me, y'all, I do a show, ain't coming, I can't bring no Glock. Bitch, we stay fishing, fuck around and caught a little fish and shot it to the end. Fuck up a nigga face, them shit too gon' penetrate. But don't try to run, but ask about my like the taste. Then once I get up on them, stand over and let them know this for my dead homies. Stay out the way, this shit get tragic. We swingin' broad day, I hop out, put two in head matter. Who know it come to this? We tryna kill this shit, can't unexpected. No, I'm swinging my two name the way you thought I couldn't suck it, nigga. I'm yelling, fuck that. You ain't that, I told my brother, yeah, we gotta cut back. Hit a dread, don't need money, let me sure we leave him flat like Buddy Rat. We hop out, bustin' head, we call it all fly. Don't need run, cause if you get away, you get your throat wide. No, forget not close and giving pussy, nigga, talk. Nigga, I'm steady screaming, fucking nigga. Ain't no man, I feel this cut, it's been so loud and knock the drums up out your fucking ears. Better pray you make it out, this shit get wicked in this field. Walk around with this 50, let them sprinkle, now they sign to it. Don't be a bloody all these niggas dissing, we gon' see who be the first to slip. Knock you off the pivot, bitch, you know I'm coming off my hook. Man, this shit too real, these niggas dying, brains getting rough. Fucking nigga, Zovile in this bitch, you niggas know what time it is. I'm with my brother, man, we vibing the booth and shit. Hey, let these niggas know what you do, man. Smoking nigga out of